Something else I want to cover you guys about Bitcoin. I told you guys on my last videos to pay attention to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin from Monday through Wednesday it will bullshit, and then Thursday morning, Thursday evening it'll correct itself and it'll start the move. It'll start the move Thursday, and then Friday. Because think about it, Friday the market's closed. After the market's closed, that means Bitcoin it's unleashed. It's unleashed. It's not reacting to the market no more. It doesn't have nothing to react but the movements that are happening inside of the system, of its own system. That's the only thing that's moving it. No market. There's no data. There's no news data coming out. So the Bitcoin tends to do its own thing after that. So look at the pattern right here. We have Monday holding this area right here. All of a sudden we create a crazy drop, crazy move, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, it goes back down. Wednesday continues. It goes for the move, right here, because we lost this. You would have been panicking, thinking you would have been hearing the Fed. I mean, you would have hearing all these notifications and platforms and crypto news data bullshit telling you Bitcoin drop below so and so, because this be it, right? Cool. Notice how in the 50 it got rejected. If we were really falling, we would have continued this, held on here, and then continue breaking it down, or just bullshit here. That way the next hours we can test it again and keep dropping. The fact that it bought up and it's doing this, and it's a Thursday, we're going to a Friday. Also this, we're about to break a point weekly line. Not just once, twice, 3 times. The fact that it's getting bought from this area right here, and we're coming towards the end of the week, and then these 2 weeks we have been holding this area. It's just a coincidence that we dropped and we are holding this area. Just a coincidence that we're coming to the end of a 12-hour candle, and this is the last 4 hours and change left over. We closed a 4-hour candle at 1. So where I'm going with this and how it's looking, so we can't drop this box. This box I've been this label's here because this here for a reason. First of all, I know we can't drop this box because if we do, it's bad. I know that we can't. I know that we can't. So that's why right now. That's why you're seeing the market. And then on top of that, we've been on this trend line right here. I just noticed that too. The fact that we were right there and we could have dropped it, but anyways, you guys, monthly line. See this monthly line right here? That's one indicator. If the market is really going down, it's gonna break first this one, and your next target is gonna be this area right here, because this is where your support is at. See, this is where it ends, and what a coincidence that. Anyways, so if you see the market going down, this is where the market is gonna. This is where the market is gonna be. Are we gonna fall down? Could this be the end of Bitcoin? Could be and then Bitcoin's gonna gradually going up. That's if we ever come to these terms. So that's why using the trend line as that. The second trend line is the one that we started down here, the weeklies. Started here. I'm gonna change to a weekly actually. Started right here, tested it here, tested it here. Broke it 3 times, but notice how we keep buying above it. Notice how it closed right there. So this is why this area is important to hold, not to break. So it's actually this one right here, not the monthly. Of course, you don't want it to drop the monthly. but you really want to hold this weekly area right here, especially in these last 2 weeks. So we have a box right here, if you notice that too. So you see how this box will help me out. So think about it. I box this up. I have my, when it comes from the top to bottom, you have your 2 resistance, your 1 support. You'll box that up. As this is falling down, you still know it has more time or whatever, so depending what it is. So therefore, once the market actually does the drop and does this, get back in here in the same area where the box is at, I'm pretty sure. Watch. So right there. Is that right here? I'll show you. Alright, so now I can see it. There you go. So this right here is where you go for your buy. Because, or no, which one? Yeah, this one is your buy right here. Because you're gonna complete this, and it's gonna close here. It's gonna most likely gonna close here at 1, and then by that time your box is gonna be done. Yeah, see, it's gonna be done, and then from 1 o'clock. And then from 1 o'clock, yeah, see how strong it's going up? And then from 1 o'clock, try to find this area right here and shoot on up here and close here at 5 in the morning. And then that whole scaredness of the market is over, Bitcoin broke, whatever, whatnot, is going to dense it up. It's going to be Friday, and then from Friday to Saturday in this area, and so and so and so and so. Watch, 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 watch. Same thing with Ethereum. Look, we push on up, support, support, support. Where is it at right now? Again, trying to break into this important area. It's most likely inside of there. We're gonna close here at 1. From 1 to 5, shoot up, and we're back in the range. We're back in the range. And all that about Bitcoin, Ethereum breaking, so and so, key elements, key points, blah 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 blah, out the door. Alright, that's all for you guys. Watch how it sets up, and then I keep on going up through this week. This is Brian Seacrest signing out.